Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to remind you guys, just a quick reminder, giveaway will end June 15th. So all you need to do to be qualified for the giveaway is number 1, be a subscriber. Number 2, make a comment on this video or the haul video that I did in the past. And then tell me which one is your favorite pick-me-up item. So I just want to give you a run through on what you're going to be getting for the giveaway. So you're going to be getting 10 cards, 10 of the cards with 10 envelopes from the Pick Me Up collection. I use this as ephemera. And then this is the envelope. So you're going to be getting that. This is open for US only. I'm sorry guys. This is the Pick Me Up collection. All the papers. Next is the Pick Me Up ephemera pack, 40 piece, and this is what you get. And then I just want to give a shout out to Leela. Leela, you already have an entry for the giveaway because you commented on my haul video. So I just want to show you guys what you're going to be getting. You're going to be getting all this and all of this that I'm going to be sending you, so you can make your own version of it. This is all going to go in the mail, as well as all these that's already been made. So these are new ones that I just recently made. I just cut this up from the card right there. So I just cut it up and used it as ephemera. This. So lots of foam dots being used on there. This you're going to get as well. I'm going to go through what you're going to get. This one. This one. Very simple round stitch ephemera. Lots of paper clips. Right there. This one as well. Right there. It's perfect for summer, I think. You can add to your packages. This one is just a pom-pom paper clip. Here's another one. Right there. Right there. And this one is a tassel. And this one, so cute. I hope it focuses. And then this giveaway will have a lot of coffee cups with it. Ribbon, butterfly, my most favorite moment. So this is going to be all yours. All you need to do is be a subscriber in my YouTube channel. Make a comment. And giveaway ends June 15th of this month, okay? And then if you win, I'm going to send you a private message so you can send me your address and you're going to get this in the mail. Almost done. So beautiful. I love making these and I love giving them away. I need to do my nails, sorry. Here's another one that I put so you can use it up. Oh my gosh, I need to make a video just doing mason jars because mason jars are adorable. And the rest of the stuff. Living the dream. Thanks. So During the giveaway, you're going to get all this in here. This one, all 10 cards with envelopes. So don't forget to like, subscribe, make a comment. And it ends June 15th. Have a crafty day, guys. Bye!